Hi, in this video I'll be talking about the program I wrote for my ABB assignment. The first task was to write my initials, R and M, using manual targets or manual jogging. Now, if I start the simulation, it should start writing my initials. The next task was to rotate the work object and change the height as well. Next, the task was to import a vector graphic and then use the AutoPath option to create the paths automatically. The last task was to make a UI interface for the user. Here the user can choose 4 different options. So the first one was draw initials, which I've already shown you. Second was draw wolf, which is the vector graphic. Then the third one was my extra work which I did to understand more about ABB rapid programming. The fourth, manual write, is the same as write text, the only difference being that manual write you can set the location of where you want to write, and you can only write once in manual write, whereas in write text you can write as much as you want. So if I go to write text, it first asks me for a font size, which I give it 3. Okay. Then it asks you what should the robot do. You click on write or finish writing. As we haven't started writing, I'll click on write. And the default text is an example which you can start by just clicking OK. In the write text feature, there's also an option to change the font size while you're writing text. Here I've changed the font size from 1 to 5. The code I've written also automatically knows what height or spacing to give when the font size is changed or at a particular font size. When there is no space on the A3 sheet, the robot gives you an error on the flex pendant